Hello friends, I am Dr. Siraj Lakfaizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about how to prepare simple means FTNMR simple preparations guidelines. So you know a good proton NMR simple contains about 10 milligram of compound. Just write it down, 10 milligram of compound. The solution should contain no solid or paramagnetic impurities. Your deuterated NMR solvent should be free of water and your NMR spectrum should contain no solvent P, and this is the criteria. Now NMR solvent. Typical deuterated solvent include chloroform, water, benzene, acetone, acetonitrile and tetrahydrofuran. Chloroform is by far the most popular and will be used exclusively in the TA will prepare the bottle of CDCl3 that you will use for NMRs. When you purchase bottle of CDCl3, you will have to prepare them for use. There are typical three things that must be done before your deuterated chloroform is ready for the NMR. First, a few drops of a standard tetramethylsilane TMS are usually added. Second, any residual water in the solvent is removed by the additions of activated 4 angstrom molecular sieve. Third, the acidic nature of CDCl3 and the molecular sieve is sometimes neutralized by additions of anhydrous granular potassium carbonate, a weak base. The chloroform that we will use has been treated with molecular sieve and TMS has been added. But since we won't use any acid sensitive compound, potassium carbonate has not been added. Remember that you do not want water getting into your chloroform. So keep the bottle open to the atmosphere as little as possible because that is a very challenging job. As long as it's open, water from the air will dissolve in your NMR solvent. So friends, before preparing the sample, determine the minimum height of a sample by checking the depth gauge in the NMR room. Make measuring standard to ensure that your sample will always have enough solvent. For making a standard, use 10 ml graduated cylinder to hold your NMR tube and filling it. Mark the outside of graduate cylinder with Sharpie at minimum height level. Now friends, how you prepared NMR sample of liquids. Dry and remove all solvent from your compound, and this is the main job. Dry and remove all solvent from your compound. Take a clean dry NMR tube and place it in a 10 ml graduated cylinder or other holder. Place a Kimway pipette filter on top of the NMR tube, and this is constructed by taking a small piece of Kimway and stuffing it into a small Pasteur pipette. It can be stamped into place using the tip of large Pasteur pipette, and this filter will remove any insoluble impurities. Now friend, dip the tip of the different pipette into the sample. Capillary actions will draw approximately 10 milligram into the pipette. Place this on top of the pipette filter and rinse it into the NMR tube with your deuterated solvent, and check to see that you have enough solvent, and cap your NMR tube and record the sample number if running more than one spectrum, and the colored cap are the easiest way to do this. After running the NMR, rinse the sample back into the flask containing your compound and concentrate it to remove the solvent. Preparing NMR sample of solid. Do steps 1 plus 3 like that above, and place approximately 10 milligram of your sample into a vial. Dissolve your compound in about 1 ml of your NMR solvent. Using a pipette, transfer the liquid through the pipette filter into the NMR tube, and see the above step means after running NMRs what you will do, and check to see your enough solvent like that. Then you have to clean the tube. That is also very important job in any organic and inorganic chemistry lab. Cleaning NMR tube. Rinse the tube thoroughly with acetone. Place the tube in drying oven for about 1 hour and store the tube in a desiccator at room temperature. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.